Hello guys, and welcome to another video tutorial on XML tutorials. And in this video we'll talk about namespaces. Okay, so to start, before we can do an example using namespaces, I want to talk to you about prefixes as well. So we use prefix when we have, for example, the same name for two different elements, okay, or type of elements. So as you see, I have here a table, but a table, HTML table, okay, where I have a TR and a TD, okay, and then I have two names, John and Alex, okay. This is referent to an HTML table, okay, and then I have a table here referred as a coffee table, okay, and that might create a little bit of confusion to XML and as we parse it, and to define that these are two different elements or type of elements. This is HTML element and this is XML element, normal. We can type a prefix before the name of table, okay, and in here as well. So I can give it a prefix of A, and then you have to type colon, okay, and you have to type it before the TD here as well in all tags, and closing tags as well here, okay, after the slash in here. So this identifies all this kind of data or type of data as a colon table, okay. And in here, let's give a B. B. This will avoid some problems, okay, when we parse this kind of data. Now that we have a prefix, what we will need is to use the namespace, okay, and we use the namespace in here, okay. So to call a namespace or declare a namespace, we type XML and S, okay, and in here colon and A, okay, which is the prefix that we are using inside this element and the child's. So A, so this is going to be referred, and now we type http www.w3.org tr HTML4, okay. Now why the hell do I put this URL in here? Okay, this URL, if you guys want to try and put this in your browser and see what page is this, this is the URL to the official standard Web3 Consortium HTML4 page, okay. So basically this is the official page for the language HTML4, okay, or HTML as well, or XHTML. So what I'm saying here is relate this link, okay, or declare this link as the official standard for these tags, okay, or whatever is with the prefix A, and this will make recognizable to HTML, okay, in an XML file, okay. So now XML inside, even if we are declaring some HTML tags in XML, so that's no problem at all, okay. You can put HTML code or tags in here inside the XML file as long as you recognize it or declare it as HTML with this URL, okay, with the namespace. Okay, so this is what we call XML namespaces. Okay, so now these all these namespaces are recognized as HTML. Okay, now down here, this is going to have also an XML namespace B, and this is going to be equal, and this is another URL. This is, you have to type here the official URL to table, for example. Okay, so you can try and type here whatever you want. So for example, let's say furniture dot .com/ and then you can type tables. Okay, so we don't need to put the URL to standard this tags as XML, because we already are inside an XML file. Okay, so what we do here is to give a unique URL ID to these prefixes, or to the prefix B. Okay, so I just invented here URL furniture.com.tables. Okay, that's just for unique identifier purposes only. Okay, you can type here whatever you want, but here you have to type the official page of HTML4. Okay, so basically that's it. That's how we declare XML namespaces, or identify XML namespaces with a prefix and the URL. Okay, a lot of you guys probably saw this in also the doc type declaration in an HTML document. Why is that? Because HTML or XHTML is XML as well. Okay, it's an XML file. Okay, it's a markup language, but instead of normal XML, it's an hypertext markup language. Okay, so XML, as you know, stands for extended markup language, and XHTML stands for extended hypertext markup language. Okay, that's the only difference between XML and XHTML, is the H, which stands for hypertext. Okay, so it's used for to output something in a web page. Okay, or to output something in the web. Okay, so XMLNS, you now know how to use this and what it is, and that's it. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Hi guys, this is just a little update for this video. I forgot to mention that you'll need, in order to see this in the browser, you'll need a root tag or parent tag. Let's call this root. So make sure you have the root tag, otherwise you will not be able to output this in the browser. Okay, make sure you have that. If you go now to Chrome, this is what you'll get. Okay, so that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.